This is a significant development. I predict that Optimus will emerge as the most remarkable product of all time, far surpassing anything else in existence. I believe it will be 10 times more impactful than the next largest product ever created. This companion robot can reside in your home, assist in supervising your children, and even serve as an educator. When people hear the term humanoid robot, many, including myself, envision a bright, futuristic world where robots take on all the challenging, hazardous, or mundane tasks we prefer to avoid. After all, who hasn't fantasized about having a robot that cooks, cleans, and manages household chores? It sounds idyllic. There are many who are anxious about the potential for these machines to usurp human jobs, or worse, dominate society and reduce us to servitude, reminiscent of countless science fiction narratives. Conversely, some view humanoid robots as cumbersome, slow, and somewhat absurd, essentially a collection of overpriced scrap metal, struggling to maintain balance. People often joke about their movements resembling those of a drunken individual, or even a politician. This perception is not entirely unfounded, as many current humanoid robots still face challenges in demonstrating their practical utility. In fact, some appear so awkward that skepticism is understandable. Yet, have you observed the significant changes over the past 2 years? We are witnessing more than mere incremental improvements. We are experiencing groundbreaking advancements. 2 years ago, the competition was primarily between Tesla's Bot and Boston Dynamics' Atlas, but now it is evident that this is no longer a two-horse race. It has evolved into a full-scale technological competition. We firmly believe that Tesla's Optimus has significant potential to positively impact people's lives. Additionally, it stands out as one of the most accessible humanoid robots on the market, with a competitive price point that makes ownership feasible for a larger audience than ever before. To achieve a price range of approximately $20,000 to $30,000, it is essential to excel in large-scale manufacturing, ensuring that the robot does not cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. This reflects a common perception that humanoid robotics are merely sophisticated prototypes confined to laboratories, unlikely to transition into practical applications. However, Tesla has fundamentally transformed this landscape. They are not only mass-producing humanoid robots, but also showcased 50 Optimus units at a significant event, allowing attendees to see and interact with them firsthand. Interestingly, this event was initially intended to unveil Cybercab, Tesla's fully autonomous robotaxi, yet the attention shifted to the robots. This demonstrated that the Tesla Bot is more than just a passing trend. It is challenging the notion that humanoid robots are ineffective or uninteresting. Optimus is already demonstrating its ability to perform a variety of useful tasks, such as receiving and inspecting packages. Tesla accomplished all of this in under 2 years. Their advancements are so remarkable that even Boston Dynamics, one of their main competitors, has acknowledged their achievements. The Tesla team has made significant strides in just 1 year, developing several machines from the ground up, which is truly impressive. They are highlighting the critical importance of this technology, a point we have been advocating for the past 3 decades, and I believe this only benefits us. Consider a robot capable of performing various tasks continuously for 8 to 10 hours, without the need for charging, as it can recharge itself. It may sound unbelievable, but this is precisely what the Tesla Bot promises. Utilizing Tesla's state-of-the-art 4680 battery pack paired with an optimally sized battery, designed for a humanoid robot. This feature is unparalleled in the realm of humanoid robots globally, and has attracted considerable attention for Optimus, generating excitement for its upcoming release. Imagine deploying it in a restaurant, operating for 8 to 10 hours straight. The potential revenue could amount to tens of thousands of dollars annually, far exceeding your initial investment. Picture having your own personal robot companion that not only serves as a great friend, but also manages household chores, such as cleaning, lawn mowing, dog walking, and even tutoring or babysitting your children. Additionally, it could facilitate the production of goods and services. In 2022, Tesla unveiled Optimus with a 2.3 kWh battery, but at that time, the prototype primarily utilized standard 2170 battery cells, as the 4680 battery technology was not yet available. Consequently, Optimus had a somewhat bulky and basic design. However, Tesla has since confirmed that Optimus is now equipped with the company's most advanced 4680 battery technology. While specific details have yet to be revealed, the 4680 battery presents numerous advantages, boasting an energy density that is 5 times greater than that of the 2000 Brains puzzles. This enhancement allows for increased energy output per unit volume and a reduction in production costs by approximately 14%, attributed to advancements in design and manufacturing techniques. The design has become more compact, eliminating the necessity for a large and cumbersome battery pack, which not only enhances performance, but also considerably decreases the robot's weight. For autonomous charging, Optimus can independently locate, navigate, and connect to a wall-mounted charger with an extended connector. This charging port is aligned and connected by Optimus itself. Once the battery is fully charged, it automatically disconnects and resumes its tasks. When charged using wireless technology, with a battery pack just under 3 kW, Optimus charges significantly faster than electric vehicles, which typically require 30 to 40 minutes for a full charge. We are confident that a mere 10 minutes will suffice to fully recharge Optimus. This capability is precisely what sets Tesla apart from its competitors, as it offers a fully autonomous robot designed for a variety of tasks. With a global population of approximately 8 billion, it is likely that many individuals will desire their own Optimus companion. It is essential to treat these robots kindly, as they will be programmed to serve drinks at social gatherings. Tesla aims to make Optimus more accessible, pricing it at just $20,000. Especially given Tesla's reduced reliance on external suppliers, it would be challenging to find a humanoid robot as sophisticated as the Tesla bot, making Optimus accessible to a broader customer base and enabling millions worldwide to consider robot ownership. Imagine a scenario where Optimus can learn by watching videos, mimicking tasks effortlessly. Elon Musk highlighted that Optimus possesses the capability to learn tasks simply by observing videos, eliminating the need for direct programming. For instance, if it were shown a cooking tutorial, a piano performance, or even a magic trick, it could potentially learn from these demonstrations. Initially, it may exhibit some awkwardness, as it needs to practice these actions multiple times to accumulate sufficient data. This scenario exemplifies artificial intelligence learning, particularly through a deep learning methodology. While there may be some initial glitches, the overall concept is quite exciting, and one would certainly want to showcase it to friends. However, it is important to recognize that a new product like Optimus is unlikely to be flawless from the outset, especially one that interacts with real-world environments. Musk has candidly acknowledged that Optimus will encounter some issues. One possible challenge is the misinterpretation of commands. For example, it might mishear a request for food and instead present an empty plate. Additionally, since Optimus depends on an internet connection, any disruptions could hinder its access to necessary data, leading to potential malfunctions. Navigating stairs also poses a significant challenge for Optimus, as it requires accurate calculations and balance with each step to avoid tripping or falling. Thus, it is clear that Optimus is still a work in progress, and these initial bugs are expected to be resolved over time through software updates and continuous technical improvements. Elon Musk has highlighted that the Optimus robot will possess the capability to self-correct during operation. A notable instance of this occurred when the Tesla bot accidentally dropped a battery cell. It promptly reorganized its components without any human assistance. This year, the goal is to produce approximately 5,000 Optimus robots, with a technical aim of securing enough parts for 10,000 to 12,000 units. However, given that this is an entirely new product with a completely novel design, achieving even half of the 10,000 target would be considered a success. Producing 5,000 robots is equivalent to the size of a Roman legion, which is a somewhat daunting thought. Imagining an entire legion of robots is quite striking. Nonetheless, Musk noted that they are in the process of redesigning Optimus, acknowledging on X last year that modifying its design has been one of the most challenging aspects of the project. It is important to note that Tesla cannot ramp up Optimus production as swiftly as they do with electric vehicles in the initial stages, primarily due to their lack of experience with a dedicated production line, a topic frequently discussed in our episodes about the Tesla bot. While many components from electric vehicles are being adapted for use in Optimus, the production process remains distinct. This does not imply that the production process for Optimus will mirror that of electric vehicles. They cannot share the same assembly line or design, especially on a smaller scale. The manufacturing of Optimus presents significantly greater challenges than that of an electric vehicle. Each component must be meticulously designed to closely mimic the essence of the human body. If too many parts, actuators, or a large battery pack are included, the robot's weight may become excessive, hindering its mobility. Conversely, if the internal components of Optimus are overly restricted, its performance will be severely compromised. This underscores the numerous difficulties associated with developing a humanoid robot, particularly in the initial phases. Additionally, it is essential to input data into the robot's cognitive system to enable it to perform meaningful tasks based on that information. In simple terms, Optimus will start with an entirely blank slate, necessitating that Tesla engineers populate it with extensive data. The process of inputting data into a humanoid robot is not as straightforward as merely uploading programming codes and expecting Optimus to carry out tasks based on those instructions. This approach is flawed. Instead, Optimus must undergo training by executing tasks under the remote guidance of engineers. During these teleoperated sessions, the Tesla bot will gather even the minutest data from the tasks it undertakes. These tasks must be practiced repeatedly, not just once, but many times, until sufficient data has been accumulated for each specific task. For instance, it may take a week or longer for Optimus to learn how to wash dishes effectively. Initially, it may drop dishes, fail to clean them adequately, or make other errors. With each setback, the system will automatically adjust to prevent similar mistakes in future attempts, ultimately achieving proficiency. This is why, throughout the past year, teleoperated training for Optimus has become prevalent. It simply required data input from these training sessions. Tesla's acquisition of Optimus represents not only a significant advancement in robotics technology, but also embodies humanity's desire to overcome physical and temporal constraints to improve quality of life. Once dismissed as impractical or relegated to laboratories, humanoid robots have undergone a transformation thanks to Tesla, which has revolutionized the field. Optimus is no longer a mere theoretical idea. It is progressively emerging as a valuable assistant in everyday life, capable of handling tedious, labor-intensive, or hazardous tasks for humans. The true importance of Optimus lies not solely in its advanced technology or its capacity to operate for 10 hours after just 10 minutes of charging, but rather in its affordability. Priced at $20,000, this robot can learn from videos, serve beverages, clean homes, babysit, and even assist in manufacturing processes. This development paves the way for millions to own a personal robot, a concept that was once confined to the realm of science fiction. Furthermore, Optimus signifies a cultural and societal shift. It does not merely replace manual labor, but also prompts a re-evaluation of our understanding of work efficiency and the future dynamics between humans and machines. In the near future, it is conceivable that each individual may have a robot companion that is intelligent, dedicated, and tireless, enabling humans to concentrate more on creativity, emotional connections, and meaningful interactions. In this regard, Tesla is not just creating a robot, they are contributing to a fundamental transformation in how we live.